What the fuck is up, baby? I go by the name 9GC. I'm so happy to be here with you beautiful people. We're gonna turn the fuck up and have a great time tonight. Let's do it. Hey, left side, put your hands up. Right side, let me see your hands up. You don't bang, put your hands up. Hands up, yeah. Cool boy, yeah, cool boy. Hey, what you doing? It's space, I'm bleeding. It's space, I'm bleeding. The peace, they bleed. To me, I say, no peace, no love. Oh yeah, I tell my secrets to a bottle. I just take over all the people that I know. I take over, I really got suicidal. I tell way too guilty, so I make the bottle. I don't forget it, I take that shit for survival. Morning is the book, I forgot the light. I step off of the ditches, but still got homies inside. Evil ones lose every day and night. Love only visits on your birthday night. Can't judge your torso until you feel its pain. I feel me without these chains. Cool boy. Yeah, cool boy. Hey, what you feeling? It's streets, I'm bleeding. The streets, I'm bleeding. The peace, they bleed. To me, I say, no peace, no love. Hey, kumbaya, let's go. Yeah, kumbaya, kumbaya. Hey, what you selling in streets? I bleed in streets. I bleed the peace they bring to me. I sing for peace, for love. Oh yeah, the streets is deep. Hey, the peace, yeah. Make some motherfucking noise. I was paid to a fake, people need to believe. thing to the ground, that ain't all that you believe. All the little shit that you just say to more me. Turn it to a man and nothing is what it is. Hey, that's a bit of itchy, that's every day. Now tell her, make that booty never to hit her. Now she home, get her like that delay. Who let the dog off the leash? Who let the wolf see the sheep? Let her eat right now. Who was a late in his teens? Who got your dog in the sheets? You can eat right now. Perfect, 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 perfect. My Puerto Rican bitches looking for that set. My color bitches looking for that yes. I be showing nigga watching strong nigga. I'm on the floor with it, no nigga. I can't take no shit, I take a joke nigga. I'm a shit in my grave and found gold nigga. I'm a bitch of you, I'm talking to the bone nigga. Eat up, pretty good, like freeze up. Hey, look, he's up. I'm up to this and that was so good, Jesus. Fuck, fucking giving off threesome. Ain't stick together cause we are a people. And I know they now, cause it don't mean fuck. If my nigga say he don't know, what you say? I fuck you, I walk when I want to. What? Niggas getting high, getting drunk, getting jungle. You see that the leftover shit from my uncle. Niggas used to really give a shit. He was humble. And my little niggas got young, but it's humble. We was sitting in the backyard, it was. And we was jumping dancing with that camera, bitch. Man, you should hate yourself. You should hate yourself. Look at you, nigga, nigga, rate yourself. Rate yourself. Look at the shit that we do, but it makes yourself. Keep that fucking energy exactly where it's at. Keep it where it's at. I know I'm not the only one in this thing that's working hard just to live soft, you understand? Hey, let's go. 12 sauce. Boom, boom, I'm sleeping with a BBM. Boom, boom, I'm in nails in my account. Ain't nothing shady, the sun is out. They gonna pay me, it's not a maybe. They will pay me, I'm not a motherfucking clown. I'm the one to represent my hometown. I got this pay a 45 pound. And dream takes, I ain't slowing down now, nigga. I need a chick with a big ass out, so I'm working hard just to live. So I could be like Rick Ross. Ice need a deep frost. I said I'm shining too hard and my bitch too hard, but I can put down. I should make it wet like buck. In my B12 sauce, cause boom boom. I'm sleeping with a pinky and a cross. Boom boom boom. Yeah. If you have a chick in your head, I just put that bitch in the air like this. I'm cool. on the same page. What you tell her? I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm high, I'm crazy. No one, no smoke, no fake. Everybody with me on the same page. I'm still with the life, loyalty to fight, there's no surprise, it came at the perfect time to succeed in the fight. Rest in peace, the soldiers that we give it guidance, games. It's my hand with the force. Got me getting where I walk. I wish I could feel what I feel and I finish. Pop up on my face with the billy. I'm way past my limit. Don't be way past my limit. I'm crazy. I'm drunk, I'm high, I'm crazy. No more, no smoke, no fake. Everybody with me on the same page. I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm drunk, I'm high, I'm no more, no smoke, no fake. Everybody with me on the same page.
What you tell them? Change, I beg, for peace, they beg to me. I say, for peace, for love. The streets is deep, they need for peace, Let's try. 1, 2, 3. You say what? And you say what? Say fucking right now, bitch. And you know you will. Yes, sir. And you say what? You say what? I'm making music for niggas in suit and ties. They all got their money and even smile. In conversations with them, I let my people call you people like I rap for the ones in high school. Body, mind, ankle, and hip hop. For the little ones calling me us. What I'm doing for the girls. I'm trying to find a gap on my mind. I don't think I'm crazy, I'll be hard up. If you thought I wouldn't see the blessing, I'm just looking like a nonsense. They don't be jiggy, yeah, I'm on. Cause I don't think I've been going in the car truck. I've been killing niggas since I was a kid. Russian souls, so they want to come. I'm too ready like a farmer. I can really bring it to your dome. I don't think you want to hear the bass, probably okay. Yeah, I'm the leader, let's get behind it. You know you like my shit, you can't deny it. Bro, I came out like dead silent, someone get the body, never gonna quit. You say what? Like, don't and you say what? Hell no, what are you with this shit? Let's go. They fucking right, I bring the levels to the bed. And you know you what? Let's go. Never quit. You say what? You say what? What are you with this shit? They fucking right, I bring the levels. And you know you what? We gonna make some motherfucking noise. Up with the second, you know that is I want to see how many young narcissist fans you got in the building tonight. How many young narcissist fans you got tonight? Let me see. They know I'm super times on and finish they call me tipping their hands. I don't want no return from none of my bros, so stretching their backs. Some people wanna be close and each his own, go get you some rest. They don't know what you fast. Only got no side of crack. See, as soon as I find me up, I got me where I fit in. If I get somebody up, she gon' have a show ease. More money, more problems, before you was saying you used to be going get shitty. Can't be in nobody in my city. I got like a man, my windows is. These people ain't paying my songs out of PD. They actually take it when they come in. They pay and take 20, I'm taking it all cash out. They don't give me no wrong. They figure it out. I'm not at all pity me. I hustle because I gotta really me. It's all what's to the thing. And you shot Jack in the fridge in the back. I'm not going back. I ain't paying much. I ain't going for some rest. I'm not going back. Hey, they get the cheesecake, I be easy. I'm sitting and they get it back. Hey, so maybe he's got to sit there and you sit there. That's it. If you know this shit, I need you to sing it at the top of your fucking lungs. Hey, hey, hey. I see you take away your feel about me. It's a lot of bad things that I don't like. Every blessing that I pray for, feel. y'all doing all along? Huh? Guess I'm almost in a dummy. Bitch, I dare you to lie to me and say you told them you love me. And you know what? I should've known you were hiding something. You left everything you said. That ain't the one thing. You made me feel so insecure and weak as fuck. And I'm not saying you were wasted. You don't have to work for me because I still love you. And so I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I recently dropped an album. It's called Free. I don't know how many of you guys know that. Hands up. Yeah, that's a great one. That's a great one. Alright, let's teach the ones who don't know this song right here. Let's teach them this song, yeah? Let's do it. I dedicate this song to every brother in the building tonight. If you're going through something, if you feel like you guys should know this song right here, so go to it.
Crazy, I'm entertained if you believe it.